Hello everyone, I am Mansa, pursuing BTech second year in Vasireddy Venkatadri Institute of Technology. Today I am going to discuss about different types of database users. So let me share a screen. Types of database users. So first we will see the introduction about what is meant by data, database and database management system. Data are the units of information collected through observation, and it is the collection of figures or facts which are stored in a computer memory. Data can be qualitative or quantitative. Next, database. A collection of interrelated data or information that is organized so that it can be easily accessed, managed, and updated. It contains multiple tables which may include several fields. The columns of the tables are known as attributes, and the rows of the tables are known as records. The columns will contain, each column contains only one type of data type, and a table row contains many data type values. Next, database management system. It is the software which is used to manage the database. There are 7 different types of database system users, differentiated by the way they expect to interact with the system. Different types of user interfaces have been designed for the different types of users. So we will see each type of database user in detail now. First one, database administrator, that is DBA. Database administrator is the person or team who defines the schema and also controls the 3 levels of database. As we know, for the database, there are 3 levels, that is physical level, logical level, and view level. DBA is also responsible for providing security to the database. That is, he allows only the authorized users to access or modify the database. Next one, database designers. Database designers are the users who design the structure of database. It includes tables, indexes, views, triggers, stored procedures, constraints, which are usually enforced before the database is created or populated with data. It is responsibility of database designer to understand the requirements of different user groups and then create a design which satisfies the needs of all the user groups. Next, system analyst. System analyst is the user who analyzes the requirements of the parametric users. They check whether all the requirements of the end users are satisfied or not. Next, sophisticated users. Sophisticated users can be engineers, scientists, business analysts who are familiar with the database. They can develop their own database applications according to their requirement. They don't write the program code, but they interact with the database by writing SQL queries directly through the query processor. Next, naive or parametric end users. Parametric end users are the unsophisticated who don't have any database knowledge or database management system knowledge, but they frequently use the database applications in their daily life to get the desired results. If we take an example, that is railways ticket booking, users are naive users. Clerks in any bank is a naive user because they don't have any database management system knowledge, DBMS knowledge, but they still use the database and perform their given task. Next, application programmers. Application programmers are also just like system analysts or simply software engineers. They are the backend programmers who writes the code for the application programs. They are the computer professionals. They write programs in programming languages such as Visual Basic, Developer, C, Fortran, COBOL, etc. Application programmers design, debug, test, and maintain set of programs called canned transactions for the naive or parametric users in order to interact with the database. Next one, casual users or temporary users. These are those users who occasionally use or access the database, but each time when they access the database, they require the new information. For example, middle or higher level manager. Thank you so much for giving me this wonderful opportunity.